away. Aloha. Rananim. Kumusta? Ohio. Guys, woo. How you guys been? Oh, look at Aaron, just chilling. These two, ready to tear me up. Ooh, relax, relax, relax. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're starting it off with the musubi from K&M Drive-In. Check them out over here at Mokuea. Let's go. So good. Yes, it's day 58, and on day 100 I will have a giveaway. So I will do a live stream and yeah, do like a giveaway, prize giveaway. So yeah, I love my job. Move. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to start my DVIC, and I got IAEA today. I got 192 packages. Not too shabby. It's a good day. Brandon? So, today I got 192 packages. We're about to kill it in IAEA. It's going to be a good day today, like always. Yes, sir. Says right there, I got 11 tote bags and 30 overflows today, meaning out of the tote bags. Yeah. Yes, we are on the road now. I'm gonna get IAEA side, and got 192 packages, about 113 stops. So I'm gonna be good today. Love it, love it. My first stop of the day delivered to IAI school. Shout out to IAI school. Let's go. So I'm delivering one box to a long driveway. It's super long. You see it? I had to park all the way down there. Nice. Alright, before we get into Evo Place, just wanted to say, first started my route at IAEA Heights, and then bam, Evo. So let's go. Yes, sir. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are done for the day. Did my DVIC, waiting for my nephew Ramson. He's gonna do his DVIC, come out, and I'm gonna go home with him. But yeah, today was in IAEA. It was good because I was first in IAEA Heights, and then I went to Iho, and then finished it up in Kaunohi. So it was a good. I'd rather have 3 different areas in one day than just one whole area. You know what I mean? That way it makes the drive a lot better or worth it. You know? But anyway, you guys have a good night. Day 58.